Hey, I wanted to take a moment to first thank all of you for the tremendous support that you have provided me and this channel over the last few months. If you're not aware, I started this channel in February of this year, and with your help, quickly grew it to now 15,000 subscribers. It's been a fantastic journey, and I'm very humbled at your kindness and support. I've enjoyed making these videos very much. With the high cost of lumber, I backed away from project builds and mostly focused on tips and tool reviews. Now, I know many of you have benefited from that, and it gives me great satisfaction knowing that, I've been able to help in some way. However, some things have changed in my life, and it's necessary for me to adjust my priorities. So first, this channel will continue, and I'll do my best to keep providing the content that you've enjoyed. But there are other pressing and serious matters that has been occupying my time. We all see how the world around us has been changing, and things are changing quickly. We all know how quickly things changed last year when the pandemic first started. It didn't take long from when we first heard about it until there was panic buying and preparedness taking place. Soon after came shutdowns and lockdowns, then civil unrest and supply chain disruptions. Most recently, we've seen an increase in cyber attacks, attacking our fuel and food supply. So we have to ask ourselves, what's next? What will be the next calamity that comes our way, and when will it strike? So much has happened in the last 18 months, and none of us know for sure what's going to happen tomorrow, next week, or even next month. What once seemed unthinkable now seems very possible. So I've adapted the mindset that literally anything can happen and at a moment's notice. But what I have learned from these recent experiences is that my family and I weren't adequately prepared for it. So I'm creating another channel that all of you can benefit from, and I wanted to take a moment to tell you just a little bit about it.